Welcome back. In this video, we'll be designing a birthday flyer from scratch. I do not have the picture or any element at all. The only thing I have in mind is the layout. So let's go. Select the plus. I want to use portrait this time around, so I will go with this. Then I'll scroll down. I want the background to, I want a flower background. I'll go with this since it does not have crown. I wanted to choose this before, but it's not free. Now I will set as background. When you double click on it, you will be able to move it and adjust it the way you want it placed. I think I'll prefer it this way. Then I would love to flip it. I want the flower to be by the left side. You flip. Now it's time for the picture. Let's search for let's try a brown skin lady. I said a brown skin lady is bringing white, so let's try African American lady. I will go with this. This is where you will have to remove the background. Assuming I'm using the Pro version, I would have been able to remove the background here, but because I'm not using the Pro version, what I will do is I will move this to the next page and I will download it. Then I'll go and remove the background on Google and come back here and bring it back here. I have downloaded and I have removed the background. Now I need to bring it back into Canva. I'll go to plus and then you go to your gallery. There are two ways where you can bring in images from your phone. Is either you come this way and you select gallery, can you see this is the one whose background has been removed. Ouch, this is not the one. Okay, it is the one. I don't know what happened before. Or you come to plus here and come to upload. When you come to upload, you'll be able to select upload file and you go to your, it will bring you, take you to your phone memory. So now I want to place this one to the left, so I will flip it like this and then I'll adjust it. Make sure you place it the way you want it placed. Now I have placed this. The next thing is for me to type. I'll come to text and choose maybe heading or subheading. Happy. I don't want to type them together, so I can say happy. Let me justify it to the right. Then instead of going to pick text again, I would love to duplicate this and then edit it to birthday. I want the birthday to be capital this time around. Then I'll change the font. Select the font I want. I would love to do something different again because this birthday is long and it will go on the picture and I don't want that. I would love to break the birth from the day. So I will duplicate this and then make this one be only birth and then make this one be only day. Yeah, so that I can have happy birthday. I can even separate use something different from the bird, or make this big. Then the font. So for this one, I will just go with this font. So I will arrange it now. So I've used the same font for both birth and day. This is the font I used. Here's it. So for this happy, I would love to use a script font or cursive. So I have chosen this font for the happy, and now I can give the text different color. I don't want to leave them as black. I want to give them different color. So for the happy, I will be picking color from the picture. If you don't know how to do that, I already did something on that in the previous video. For this day, I would love to use maybe a type of blue, or a color from our lips. Let's see how it goes. I want a dark color. So now I want to put courtesy at down. Courtesy. So this one does not have to be big, so you have to reduce its size. So this is all we'll be doing in this video. Did you learn anything from this video? There is more to come. All you have to do is to subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you will not miss out when next I upload a new video. See you in the next video.